Okay, I'm unboxing the 8-quart Bella touchscreen air fryer, and it comes, in the box. It's covered, and it comes with your grill. I've washed it and placed it inside, and so that you can see, it's a beautiful model. It's a really beautiful model. I'm gonna turn it around so that you can see. Really beautiful model. This is the power control here, and it comes with presetting the default settings. This is for your French fries. Let's see if I can get it a little closer so you can see. Okay, yeah, I'm getting a little closer for you. Okay, so these are for your French fries here. These are for shrimp, roast, chicken, fish, steak, cheese, bacon. This is preheat, and then this is your power button right here. Right here we have the temperature where you can go up and down, and on this side you have the time where you can go up and down. Beautiful setup, stainless steel. It has the vents in the back, so you want to make sure that you are not pushing it up against the wall so you can let the air circulate. I hit the power button and it started, so I want you to hear how it sounds when it goes off. Let's see, I'm going to stop it real quick, hopefully. So it lets you know when it's finished, and I wanted you to see the inside of the grill as well. It's huge. I mean, it's an 8-quart touchscreen air fryer, digital touchscreen display with 60 seconds auto shut off timer. I want you to hear how So this is how loud it sounds when it turns off. It's a digital touchscreen display with 60 seconds auto shut off timer and audible tone. Adjustable temperature up to 400 degrees. Stainless steel heating element for faster heat up. High performance circular heat technology for fast, crispy, and evenly cooked food. 6.5 pounds. Full capacity recommended for 6 to 8 people. Wow. Sleek stainless steel exterior, dishwasher safe, non-stick basket, and crisping tray for easy cleanup. So I've already seasoned some chicken, so I want you to see, and I'm gonna sit it in here. Let you guys see. Pull it down a little so that you can see what I'm doing. Take it back. Okay, so I'm gonna place my chicken in, and what I do is I place my chicken standing, kind of like standing up, like this, in the air fryer. And I'll let you see it once I finish. I mean, it's a lot of room in here. Wow. I normally sort of, sit mine up. Not that it's standing, but it's kind of sitting up. The air can circulate and it can get really crispy. Okay. So I'm gonna wipe my hands real quick. And I just wanted you to see how much I put in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Okay, right up so you can see. I'm gonna choose the chicken, but I like my chicken really crispy. So the last few minutes of cooking it in the air fryer, I'm probably going to turn it up to 400. Okay. All right. So hopefully that helps with the unpacking. I'll leave a review later of how it works, after I've used it a while. And if you have any questions, I'll see you in the comments. Thank you for watching. Starting it now. Chicken. And start. Voila. Thanks for watching. Take care.